How to open US bank account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open up a US bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to open up a US bank account online, just go to usbank.com. then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Once you land on the website, you'll be able to see the personal option that is at the very top of the screen here, as you can find it. Once you tap the personal option, over here you'll be able to find bank accounts. Once you're on bank accounts, over here you can just select the type of accounts, which in this case is most likely a savings account. So I'm going to open up a savings account, so I'll click on savings. Now right over here you'll be able to see different type of savings account that you can actually create, such as elite money market account, standard savings account, which is one of the most normal ones, and retirement money market and savings account, and so on. So all you have to do is just select the one that you like and then click on the start saving option. Now after that, it's going to ask you to simply enter your zip code, so go ahead and then enter the zip code here and then just click on the go button here. Once you click on the go option, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, as you can find it in this case. And once you find this type of interface here, you'll be taken to the page where you can simply enter all of the legal details that you might have for getting started with creating your account. So first of all, enter the first name. If you have a middle name, enter that. You can enter the last name. You select your suffix, such as your Mr., Mrs., or whatever else you have, and then you have your email, your mobile number, and then just click on the save and continue option. Once you've done that, on the next page it will ask you to verify your identity, so make sure to enter your date of birth in the month and the date, and then the year format. Then after that, you have to simply make sure to enter your tax identification number, or also known as your social security number. After you've done that, again you can simply enter the address for yourself as well as a city. Once you've entered the city, you can also choose to basically enter a state that you live in, and after you've done that, you can enter the zip code of that specific state over here. Once you've done that, you can simply enter your country of citizenship, which citizenship you have. Select your country of permanent residence as well. Once you select your country, and you can also select country of your dual citizenship as well. Once you've done this, you can just go ahead and select this option known as save and continue, and after you've done that, it will take you to the next page where you can simply enter other sort of details, and if all of your details matches the legal documentation, your bank account will be created in successfully. This way you can open up your US bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.